Hi all, welcome back to Mathematics Online class. We have completed our first chapter, that is fractions. We have moved to our second chapter, that is money. So interesting chapter because the money, the rupees and paise, that all we are using every day. This is important because this is needed in our daily life. Okay, so all of you listen very carefully this chapter. Money. I think you all know the different types of rupees and paise. Have you seen the 2000 rupees, 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 100 rupees, 50, 20, 10 rupees are there. And I think you already seen some coins also. 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, isn't it? If anybody is there without seeing that, please ask your parents and tell them to show the different types of rupees and paise and coins also. Okay, so let's move to our chapter, money. Actually, before starting this money chapter, we need to know that what symbol. Okay, so you know how to write a Ra in Hindi, isn't it? This is Ra in Hindi, Ra. So you have to draw one line above. This is Ra and here. This is the symbol of rupees. This is the symbol of rupee. Once again, you have to study how to draw this, okay? Because whenever we are writing the rupees, you have to put this symbol. Okay, so you have in Hindi, you are writing Ra like this, and one more strike you need to do like that. Okay, so this is the rupee symbol. Okay, and the symbol is invented by Uday Kumar. Okay, a person from Tamil Nadu, Uday Kumar, invented this rupee symbol. And from 2011 onwards, we are using this symbol. Before that, we are using rupees this way, RS. We are writing rupees, RS. But 2011 onwards, 2010 or 2011 onwards, we are using this symbol. Clear? Okay, so this is symbol of Indian rupee. Okay, this is a symbol of Indian rupee. Then how you will write the rupees? How you can, I know you can say how can you say the rupees? I know, because if I am asking what is the cost of one munch, you all will say, teacher, 5 rupees, isn't it? Yes. If I am asking what's the cost of one pencil, you all know that, teacher, it's 2 rupees. If I am asking what's the cost of your shirt, you will say, teacher, it is 250 rupees or 300 rupees. If I am asking what is the cost of your mobile, you know, teacher, it is 11,000, 12,000, 15,000 rupees. You are seeing like that. But you know how to write down these rupees. You want to study how to write the rupees also. Okay, some of you know that already, but others also. Please listen here. Suppose I want to write what's the cost of a munch? It is 5 rupees. Okay, cost of a munch is 5 rupees. Okay, this 5 rupees, it is given in words. We need to write in figures. Okay, write in figures. Write in figures means you need to write in numbers. Okay, okay, how will you write? Here, whenever we are writing, rupees is coming in the left side. Rupees is coming in the second. But whenever we are writing in figures, we need to put the symbol first. If it is 5 rupees, how will you write? The rupees symbol you need to write first. After that, you need to write 5. So this is called a 5 rupees. If you want to write 20 rupees, how will you write 20 rupees? 20 rupees, how will you write? So you need to put the symbol first. Okay, whenever we are writing in words, rupees is coming the last. But whenever you are writing in figures, figures means you are writing in the number. The rupee symbol you need to write first. So rupee symbol, after that 20. So it is 20 rupees. Okay, if it is 3 rupees, how will you write? 3 rupees. If it is 15 rupees, 15 rupees. If it is 100 rupees, okay, so no need to write this way. You have to put the symbol. Okay, if it is 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. Okay, so this is the method of writing the rupees. You understood that? So whenever you want to, you are getting it, this type of question, you are getting the words, you need to write in figures. You have to put the symbol first, then write the number. Okay, one more example. Whenever the rupees and paise is coming together, how will you do? For example, I need to write a 5 rupees 50 paise. Okay, I need to write a 5 rupees 50 paise. How will you write 5 rupees 50 paise? It is so simple. So which is given, which is coming near to this, which is the left side of the rupees. Okay, the first which is coming in the first, that is the rupees. Okay, 5 rupees. Then how many paise? 50 paise. Paise, every time the paise you need to write after the dot only. Okay, so it is 50. P, paise, the symbol of paise is P, but whenever we are writing along with this rupees symbol, no need to put this P. Okay, this is 5 rupees 50 paise. So this is, look at this dot. This dot is separating the rupees and paise. This dot is separating the rupees and paise. The number which is in the left side, the number which is in the right side, okay. Whenever we are standing like this, the number which is in the left side of the dot is called rupees. The number which is in the right side of the dot is called paise. For example, suppose I need to write 20 rupees. 20 rupees 75 paise. How will I write 20 rupees 75 paise? Okay, first you have to write the rupees symbol and 20 rupees. Okay, then you need to put the dot. Okay, then how many paise? 75 paise. So it is whenever we are writing rupees, after rupees, whenever we are putting the dot, it is clear that that is paise. So no need to write the P there. Okay, so it is 20 rupees 75 paise. So this way you can write the rupees and paise. One more example. Suppose you need to write 50 rupees 25 paise. All of you please try to write this 50 rupees 25 paise. Okay, what we need to do first? Yes, we need to put the symbol first, isn't it? Yes. How many rupees? 50 rupees. Then 25 paise. So before that you need to insert the dot. Okay. Then 25. So it is 50 rupees 25 paise. Then just read this one. All of you try to read this. How will you read this one? Whenever you are getting this type of question, you need to write in words. Okay, write in words. This is given in figures. You need to write in words. In letters, you need to write. How will you write this one? So you need to know how to read this one. Then only you can write it. Then how much it is? It is, yes, it is rupees 15. But whenever we are writing in letters, we can't write rupees first. We need to write 15 rupees. Okay, we need to write 15 rupees. And after dot, which is given 20. So that is 20 paise. So 15 rupees and 20 paise. One more example. How will you write this one? Yes, very good. Okay, 7 rupees and 90 paise. 7 rupees and 90 paise. So now you understood how to write the money in, how to write the rupees and paise in letters and words. I think you all understood that. Okay. So the dot is very, very important. Don't write this way. If you are writing this way, it will think that it is 5025 rupees. No. But you have to insert the dot. It is must. Okay. It is very, very important because the left side of the dot is rupees and right side of the dot is paise. Clear? Suppose you need to write only paise. You need to write 500 paise. How will you write 500 paise? Yes, so simple. You need to write 500p. That is 500 paise. You need to write 25 paise. 25 paise. 50 paise. 50 paise. Clear? So, if you want to write 1 rupees 50 paise, you need to write this way. So, whenever you are writing along with the rupee symbol, no need to insert the P. Clear? Okay. Then the next we are going to study some common things. Okay. So we already studied some rupees and paise. But every time the paise should be 2-digit number. Okay. 2-digit number. 1 digit or 2 digit. Above 2-digit number there will not be any paise. Why? Because 100 paise. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So whenever you are getting any paisa 100 or greater than 100, that we can write it as in rupees. Clear? So 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, that means 1 rupee means that is 100 paisa. Clear? So next we are going to study conversion of rupees to paise. We need to convert rupees to paise. So simple. Okay, listen here. We already studied that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, this you have to study very carefully. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, then how will you convert rupees into paise? Whenever you are getting any rupees, how will you convert it into paise? It is so simple. So suppose it is 2 rupees. How many paisa? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 2 rupees is equal to, so easy, that is 2 into 100, that is 200 paisa. So 2 rupees equal to 200 paisa. If it is 3 rupees, 3 into 100. Okay, 100, why we are multiplying with 100? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 3 rupees means 1 3 rupees, isn't it? 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3 rupees. So 300 paisa. If it is 9 rupees, 9 into 100, 900 paisa. If it is 12 rupees, 12 into 100. We already studied how to multiply easily with 100, isn't it? What is the method? Write the given number. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 1200 paise. If it is 50 rupees, how many paisa? 50 into 100. That is 50 and 2 zeros. So 5000 paisa. So this is the easy method of converting rupees into paisa. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So if it is 2 rupees, 2 into 100, 200 paisa. 3 rupees, 3 into 100, 300 paisa. Like that. If it is 50 rupees, 50 into 100, 5000 paisa. But there is a small difference. Whenever the rupees and paise come together, for example, you need to write 2 rupees 50 paise into paisa. How will you write? 2 rupees 50 paise. How will you write? So easy. First we need to convert 2 rupees into paise. Okay, 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise. Okay, now it become paisa. Then you need to add this 50 paise also with this one. Okay, so now it become 250 paise. But there is an easy method. Okay, no need to do this method. This is a normal method. Okay, this is the normal method. 2 rupees 50 paise, 250 paise is the answer. How will you get it? 2 rupees means 200 paisa. Then you need to add this 50 paisa along with that. It was 200 plus 50, 250. But this is the normal method. There is an easy method. No need to do this way. There is an easy method. What is the easy method? The method is that whenever you are getting any rupees and paise together to convert into paise, the method is that you need to remove the symbol and dot, write together. Okay, what you want to do? Actually, this is the question. You need to remove the symbol and dot and write the number together. Then you get the answer. Same answer you got. Clear? Okay, one more example I will show you. Suppose it is 5 rupees 25 paise. 5 rupees 25 paise. How will you convert into paise? So simple. What you want to do? You need to remove the symbol and dot, write together. Okay, remove the symbol and dot, write together. That is 525 paise. If it is 20 rupees 20 paise, how will you convert it into paise? Remove the symbol and dot, write it together. Okay, suppose it is 9 rupees 00 paise. How will you convert it into? Remove the symbol and dot, write it together, 900 paise. Clear? So it is so easy. Whenever you are want to convert rupees and paise, if it is only rupees has come, only rupees is come, you want to multiply the rupees into 100 and write. If the rupees and paise is given together, you need to remove the symbol and dot, write the answer together. Is it clear? The conversion of rupees to paise is clear? Yes. Okay. Then the next is paise to rupee. Next is paise, converting paise to rupee. That is also so simple. So simple. Suppose we already know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That you need to study. That's a basic thing. Okay, behind the chapter. Okay, so suppose it is 525 paisa. We need to write it into rupees and paise. Okay, so how will you convert? I already told that the paisa should be every time the paisa should be only 2-digit number. So actually this is the normal method is that 525 we need to divide by 100. Okay. So we already studied how to divide by 10. The same way you can divide by 100 also. 100 has 2 0. So after two numbers you have to insert the dot. Okay. So 5 is the quotient and 25 is the remainder. So 5 rupees and 25 paise. This is the normal method, but you no need to do this type. Okay, there is an easy method, but within 1 second you can get the answer. The method is that suppose any number, any paise you want to convert it into rupees and paise. What you will do? We know that every time paisa should be 2-digit number. So after two numbers you have to insert the dot. The left side, the first number you need to write it as the rupees, and the next 2-digit you need to write it as the paise. Clear? Okay. Some more examples I'll show you. Suppose it is 1025 paise. You need to convert it into rupees and paise. How will you convert? Okay. So we know that paise every time 2-digit. So after two numbers from the ones place you have to insert the dot. So this 10 is the rupees and 25 is the paise. Clear? If it is 205 paisa, how many rupees and how many paisa? So that is after 2-digit from the ones place you have to insert the dot. Okay, then 2 rupees, and if it is 05 you have to write 05, not put 5. If it is 5 that means 50. You have to insert 05. Whenever 0 is there you have to insert that 0. Clear? Yes. Okay, so it is 5 paisa. Okay, whenever you want to write 5 paisa, whenever any paisa below 10 you need to write, you have to insert you have to put a 0 and make it a 2-digit number. Okay, whenever you are getting any paisa, 1-digit paisa, that is below 10. 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 4 paisa, 5 paisa, 6 paisa, 7 paisa, 8 paisa, 9 paisa comes, you have to write this way. 05, 01, 03 like that. Make it a 2-digit by putting 0 on the left side. Clear? Suppose you need to write a 3 rupees 5 paisa. How will you write? 3 rupees 5 paisa. This is wrong. The correct is 3 rupees 5 paisa. Okay, so we every time whenever we are writing the paisa should be 2-digit number. So how will you convert a paisa to rupees? So simple. If it's 650 paisa, how will you convert it into paisa to rupees? How to insert a dot after the 2-digit numbers. Okay, so 6 rupees 50 paisa. Clear? So watch the video very carefully. In this video we studied how to write the money in figures and in words, and how to say the money. If it is 2 rupees 50 paise, like that we have studied how to read the money, read the amount, and we studied the conversion of paise to rupee and rupee to paise. If you want to convert rupees to paise, I already told you that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So whenever you want to convert 5 rupees into 25 paisa into paisa, you have to remove the symbol and dot, write together. And for next conversion we studied paise to rupee, that whenever you are getting the paisa should be every time 2-digit number. So from the ones place number you have to insert the dot after 2-digit number. The first number should be the rupees, and the next after the dot the numbers are in the paisa. Clear? Okay, the more thing we will study in the live session, how to do the homework, complete the notes and everything before the live session. So thank you dears, how to read and look at the video very carefully and study and understood it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.